Hi Sam.
Hi.
How are you feeling?
I don't know. How am I supposed to feel?
Good.
Yeah. What do you want to eat?
Hello Daddy.
Left 2 lanes
Hey, my
to
boy.
turn slightly
What's up?
left to stay on Thomas
How are
Avenue.
you feeling?
I'm feeling a little cold, of course.
Feeling a little cold.
Yeah.
Let's see what my boy's doing. I think he's texting some girl.
బాయ్ అంటే నేను పిప్పట్లో బాయ్ అనుకున్నాను.
Oh my god, it's a girl, baby.
It's a boy.
What is this, man?
I know.
There's a habit she'll teach the new kid.
I know.
Now this is a habit she'll teach the new kid.
Yeah.
Not me, my your boy.
Oh my god, man.
I don't know. I will give it up.
సరే
you give me a girl, you give me a girl.
పెట్టుకుని కళ్ళద్దాలు పెట్టుకుని
ఎట్లా అనిపిస్తుంది ఇక్కడ వచ్చినందుకు? నీకు ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది? అరే అది నా జాకెట్ రా.
It's 5th of April and we just got our Amazon packages. It contains all the decoration items. In fact, I just got this t-shirt which says who's gonna win the race, and then he just got a t-shirt Manish. What is that? Keeper of the gender.
Hi guys. So now. Hi guys.
What's up, guys? Today Mona Lisa. We're Pratik coming. We're going to Washington DC.
Excitement such a Hey guys, what's up? We are on our way to the Capitol Wheel located in Maryland, and Rohit and Sam don't know about this, but we have the gender reveal planned with the Capitol Wheel. So it's going to be a 180 feet Ferris wheel that's going to light up in the color of blue or pink depending on the gender, and so far we don't know the gender yet and we are excited about it.
There's going to be blue and pink colors for the first 10 minutes. It's basically like teasing them, whether it's going to be a girl or a boy. Pink for a girl and blue for the boy, and then after 10 minutes it's going to stop at one particular color, and that is going to stay for the next 30 minutes.
Yeah.
25 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes.
30 minutes. So, and then we're going to take some pictures, obviously. They're also going to take a ride on this Ferris wheel. We've been planning this from a very long time. This guy is the man behind the idea of the Ferris wheel.
We've made sure we've kept their expectations pretty low so far.
Yeah.
And we just want to know how they react to the Ferris wheel lighting up.
Yeah. It's a surprise for me, especially about the gender.
Yeah,
in fact,
and
for him,
for me
and
too.
also for Monish, because we don't know the gender. There's someone else who knows the gender. He basically coordinated with all the people who have to know the gender. For example, the cake guy, or like this Ferris wheel guy who's going to decide on which color it's gonna be. So it's a surprise for us in that way. And for Rohit and Sam, I feel it's a majorly surprise about what we are going to do, how we are going to reveal that gender. So it's exciting in both the ways. Let's see what's gonna happen. Woo! Woo-hoo!
Go team girl!
Go team boy! Let's go! The boy's gonna have big. What the duck is it? What are you doing, Pratik?
I'm just filling up the balloons too.
There we go. We're just trying to decorate some things. And look at the view. Woohoo! So that Ferris wheel is 180 feet, and it's gonna turn either into pink or blue, which even I don't know. So I'm just waiting. I'm really looking forward to this. I honestly don't know what the gender is, and imagine someone's gonna know about the kid's gender and it's gonna be revealed through this. It's pretty exciting. So let's see what's gonna happen. Work in progress. Right now. What up, you all? This is what Pratik did to me. Pratik. This is Vishal, by the way. Oh. Can you see my big face? The blue baby face. Can you see me? Monish, can you show me? There we go.
Okay.
Bienvenidos a la cripta. Dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita,
Muévete para aquí, muévete para allá.
dame tu cosita.
Hello.
Hello!
Feeling great. How are you?
I am feeling good.
Yeah, very
What do you think is going to be a gender?
It is going to be a girl.
It's going to be a boy. Come on.
Girl.
Boy. There's team boy here.
I'm
And what
team boy.
about-
I'm
You're
team boy.
You're team
Yep,
boy.
team boy.
Team boy is gonna win. Team boy.
Team boy.
We're all set. I'm wearing guess. You know the reason why. Hey, hi.
What is this? The hair started in one.
Beautiful.
Cute.
Wow.
Very cute.
No. Today
Very
come.
creepy vibes.
Go in.
What is happening?
Hello.
Hello!
Ambo. The view of this room. So your mom to be, dad to be. Okay, you can see the view now.
Meva. It's very pretty.
Wow.
So pretty.
How's the view?
Very, very nice.
Do you like it? So we're gonna like blast that balloon and see what the gender is going to be. Hold on.
Hi!
Okay, so
See back!
actually look back, guys.
On the wheel.
Yes.
Wait for the
Wait for the color. Wait for the color.
Oh!
Yes. Wait for the color. I'm excited too.
Team girl! Team girl! Team girl!
Team boy, 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 team boy. What do you think it's gonna be, Rohit?
It's a girl, mama. It's a girl. Of course it's a girl.
What do you think? It's a boy. Let's go.
Voy a llenar el cuello con polvos pica pica. Voy a llenarle el cuello con polvos pica.
I am super excited. Rohit and Samanvita are going to be great parents.
Oh, yes.
And I'm also very excited to meet the baby girl.
Oh yes. Were you supporting baby girl?
Yes.
Oh, I'm baby boy.
Girl.
Thanks for not saying it to every one of us.
No, I knew, but I was hoping before even I knew.
Okay.
Yeah,
What if it was false? What if they told you the wrong gender? You would be
I
surprised.
would have been surprised with them.
Who do you think is going to be the parent who's going to change most number of diapers? Rohit, Who do you think is going to do all the crazy stuff with the kid? Rohit or Sam?
Rohit.
It's going to be a journey, so just cherish every moment that they wanted to cherish growing up with.
And we are very happy that they are going to become parents to a baby girl. I think it's as much as it's a big responsibility, it's the biggest happiness.
Oh yes, looking for a baby girl.
Yeah, I would probably have a boy, so I'll send my boy to.
Rohit is somewhere on these, so Rohit, hope you're hearing what he's saying. Hruday, the person who was organizing this to make this happen. So Hruday, I have a question for you. Whose features do you think baby girl is going to inherit? Rohit's or Sam's?
More prominently,
Sam's. Why do you think so?
it's a girl. So I don't know. I just have a feeling.
You have a
I
feeling.
also wish that the baby is really healthy.
Okay.
And but at the same time, not to overgrow too much. Overgrow both the parents.
Like you don't want her to be as taller than Rohit and Sam.
Yeah, taller than both.
So I have a question for you. So now it's a baby girl, right?
Yeah.
So if the baby girl need to have some superpowers, you know Rohit and Sam, right?
Yeah.
What kind of superpower would it be?
I think the girl should have the power of invisibility.
Invisibility?
Yeah.
Why so?
I think she's like knowing how much mischief those both do. I think she's gonna be better off with invisibility.
Okay.
Obviously, you're wearing the badge of Team Boy.
I was wearing the badge of Team Boy, but then like it's the goal.
Okay.
It's just a baby girl.
So
though.
first of all, how do you feel about this?
I feel extremely good because the first person in our batch who is expecting a baby is Rohit. We tried our best to like organize all these things, not just me, Monish, Pratik, Hruday, every one of us. So I feel extremely good. I was able to capture the reaction, so I feel freaking good.
Okay, so now I have a quick question for you. Let's say the girl, what character trait would you want the girl to have? One from Rohit and one from Sam.
Okay, one from Rohit, definitely the adventurous nature.
Okay.
I want her to be like adventurous, spontaneous. Sometimes you cannot expect what's going to happen. From Sam, it is the caring nature. It's like that, the feel of motherhood, the feel of understanding the people around her. So that's something that I want from both the parents.
Awesome. Let's rock.
Hi Rohit and Sam, congrats on your first baby.
Rohit, I hope you have a lot of kids. You are already thinking about child 3, so hopefully that is a boy. Let's see, child 3 is a boy. And I'm really curious about what you're going to name them. What do you think?
I don't know. I think I'm not sure. It's too soon, man. It's too soon.
How about Rosa? Like Rasam.
Brilliant, be brilliant.
Oh yes,
All
he's
these
been
days.
Yeah.
Since day one I knew, but I said that.
He just kept it. He just kept the secret.
It was
Thank you so much, Hruday. That hand, man. Rohit and Sam.
Congrats on their first child. I hope they have a boy as well because I was team boy. So yeah, I'm biased, but yeah, congrats. I'm happy for them with the girl as well.
Cheers, man. Cheers. I know Sam like for the last 5-6 years, I guess, but I know Rohit from the last, I don't know how many years, from kindergarten. We've been friends since kindergarten. We had memories since kindergarten, and I think in a few years you're gonna see your baby in kindergarten, and that's like time just passed within the blink of our eyes, and I feel extremely happy that all this has happened.
Tell you a lot of stories about your mom and dad.
I'm very excited to speak about your dad's stories.
Yeah. And yeah, probably like it'll be great to see Rohit's first kid grow up and make us all proud.
Yeah. Hope you look at this video one day in the future and think about all the blessings that you are receiving. You've been blessed by so many different people. We are all excited. We were excited for the reveal and now we are excited for your arrival.
And don't you ever forget, I was team girl, they were team boy. So
Maybe next time.
So if you
Maybe
ever,
your brother,
if
maybe
you,
your like maybe.
I don't care. If you have to say who is your favorite uncle, you have to say my name, okay?
No.
So we're putting the fingerprints. I just put my fingerprint here. Fingerprints of everyone who has come to the gender reveal party and blessed this baby girl.
between us. And now it's all good, baby. For that backward, baby. Let me go. Yeah, 'cause girls like you roll around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun and yeah, me do what I want. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. Maybe it's 6:45. Maybe I'm barely alive. Maybe you're taking my shit for the last time. Yeah. Maybe I know that I'm drunk. Maybe I know you're the one. Maybe I'm thinking it's better if you drive.